So why would you want to use paid directories? Well, if you start investigating places where you can leave links on the internet, quite soon you'll find there's loads and loads of places you can do this for free. The difference with a paid directory, as the name kind of implies, is you have to pay to be included in the directory. Now, if you look at it from Google's point of view, if Google knows that you've paid a reasonably large amount of money to be included in a quality directory, then this indicates to Google that you're serious about your SEO. So obviously you need to be careful about the sort of directories you're going to pay to be included in. I mean, some of them are just straightforward scams. Now, you do need to be careful about which directories you pay to be included in. I mean, some of them are just straightforward scams, so you need to do your research properly. So these are some of the well-known ones, things like Businesscom, Best of the Web, things like that. So Businesscom is a well-known business directory. I think they charge around about $300 a year, and that will get you listed with a sort of basic listing in their directory. Another one is Best of the Web. In fact, let's go and look at this one. This is the front page, and if you click up here, it says Submit Site, then those are their costs. So basically, it charge you about $150 a year, or about $300 for a sort of one-off fee, and that will get you in there forever. So that's the website in this case. It's BOTW, bestoftheweb.org. There are numerous other sites, so this is just an example of Australian Pacific submission sites. Some of these will charge, some won't, but you want to sort of check them out and sort of see what's available. Again, these are just some international directories you might want to check out. You'll find that more and more sort of open over time or get established over time. Just go and do a search in Google and see what's available. Right, something else you might want to think about as another way of getting links is to join lots of business associations, especially the ones where you can create a business profile with a link back to your website. So on your profile page within the business association website, you can put all the information about you, maybe some pictures, possibly some videos, but very importantly, a link back to your website. I'm based in Perth, so these are just examples of some local business associations you might want to check out. But again, just do your own research, just type in something like Perth Business Associations and within Google, see what you find.